Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make shortbread cookies using just 4 ingredients. In a large bowl, add a cup of butter. Add a half cup of sugar and mix. Your butter should be at room temperature. This will facilitate the mixing. Mix until you have a creamy texture. This step is optional. Add half a teaspoon of vanilla flavor and mix. You can also add any other flavor. We will need 2 cups of flour. For now, I'm going to add 1 cup and mix. I'm going to add another cup and continue mixing. If the dough is hard, you can use a wooden spoon or your hands, like I'm doing. Hi, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you. So I'm going to go ahead and roll the dough flat on the baking sheet, and I'm going to put it in the fridge for about an hour to cool. I just took out my dough from the fridge and it's hard and breaking up, so I'm going to keep folding like you see me do here, and I'll fold until it becomes smooth again. Hey guys, if you like my video, comment below what you would like to see me cook next. Thank you. Again, I'm going to try to flatten the dough so we can start cutting it. So at this stage, you should preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This rolling pin doesn't want me to progress, guys. Just roll it back in the opposite direction and it will close up. Make the top of the dough smooth so you can have a smooth cookie. Right now, I'm not really adding any weight on it. I'm just passing the rolling pin on it, just smoking it. When the dough is small, I'm going to use a pizza cutter to cut my dough. I'll cut off the edges and form a rectangle. That way I have a good shape for my cookies. Cut a straight line in the middle. I'm going to go ahead and cut across the straight line. You could also use a cookie cutter to get the different shapes you want. When I'm done cutting, I'll go ahead and transfer the dough into a baking pan. And I had an accident. I'm going to arrange that. Then I'll use a fork to put holes into the dough, like you see me do here. After I'm done with the holes, I'll cut off any extra baking sheet that is hanging outside the pan. Then I'll go ahead and put it in the oven. What I do with the edges I cut is I cut it in small pieces and I flatten it in my palm and form small cookie shapes like that. Then I will use a fork and put holes in it like we did the first one. You could also flatten it back and cut it the same way we did the first one. I'm going to go ahead and transfer it into a baking pan, and this time I'm not using a baking sheet. The only difference is that the one I use the baking sheet on, it's going to take longer to dry than this one. So my cookie is baked for 15 minutes. I'm going to go ahead now and cut it. This is the second one. This one baked for like 12 minutes and it's a little wet, so I'm going to go ahead and put it on a cool rack, and this way it gets stronger. When you first take it out of the oven, it's soft. When you leave it out to cool, it gets stronger a little bit. And here is our shortbread cookies, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share to your family and friends. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.